Okay.
Hey guys, Sean and Jose here from Pacific Sales, and we are at the Pacific Sales Torrance location for a TurboChef Oven demonstration. All right, Jose, so the food is now completed. Let's talk about the timing on these.
Timing, so we have the garlic bread that took 45 seconds. We have the cupcakes that took 8 minutes.
That's correct.
And then we have the barbecue chicken that took 30 to 45 seconds. So everything complete under 10 minutes.
That's insane. Which one was your favorite?
Well, they were all really good. I'm a protein guy, so I'm gonna have to go with the barbecue chicken.
Me, I'm going to concur with you and say I'm a barbecue chicken person too.
Well played.
Well, I appreciate it. I'm glad you were with me today. Any last words,
Sean?
So we'll be back for another demo at one point. So we'll see you guys next time.